Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll cover the if statement. Now an if statement is a conditional statement and its syntax is something like this. So we write if, which is followed by round brackets, and inside these round brackets we specify some condition, and it is then followed by a block of code. Okay, and yeah, just one more thing over here. This is the way you comment any statement in Java. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now if this statement is true, then this code will be executed, otherwise this code will not be executed. Okay, so I'll just explain this with an example. I'll take an integer variable x and I'll assign a value 9 to it. Okay, and inside this if statement I'll just check whether the value of x is equal to 9. So for doing that I'll have to write x if x is equal to 9, and just observe over here I've used the double equal to operator, because if it is a single equal to, then it means that I am assigning a value, so I want to compare the value, so that is the reason why I've used the double equal to operator. Okay, so if this statement is true, then this code will be executed. Now I'll have to write some statement over here. I'll just print something on the screen. Sys out control space, the value is 9. Okay, so when I run this program, this expression or the statement will be evaluated to true, and as a result of it, this statement will be executed. Okay, so let's run the program. Yes, as you can see, the statement has successfully executed. Okay, now I'll just try to change the condition over here. I'll make it 8. Now when I run the program, this statement will be evaluated to false, and as a result of it, this entire part will be skipped. It won't execute it. Okay, so after coming here, it will get the evaluate the statement to false, and directly it will come outside the blocks. Okay, and when I run the program, I won't get the it won't display this statement. Okay, so let's run the program. Yeah, and as expected, it has not executed this statement. Okay, so this is the way a simple if statement works in Java, and that's it for now. In the next tutorial I'll explain the if else statement. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.